Hi friends, it's Mrs. Mozingo here. I hope you had a wonderful St. Patrick's Day. The weather was beautiful and I hope you played outside. I did a little yard work and took a walk. It was a beautiful day for it. Hopefully today will be another beautiful day. Did the leprechaun do any silly things at your house? We didn't catch one. We tried, but we did catch a sweet treat in our trap. We got some chocolate-covered pretzels. So I am ready to get started with our circle time. I hope you are too. Here we go. It is March, and it is the 18th day of March. So let's figure out what day of the week it is. Are you ready to sing with me? Here we go. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. Let me hear ya. There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. Excellent. And today is the 18th day. That means it's Wednesday, March 18th, 2020. We have 2 more days of online preschool, and then it'll be the weekend. All right, let's take a look at the weather. We predicted yesterday that it was going to be cloudy weather, but it's not cloudy right now. What kind of weather do we have outside? Ooh, I heard somebody say sun with clouds, and that's right. There is some sun with clouds. That's a great prediction. What about for tomorrow? What are we going to put into our prediction square? What do we think tomorrow's weather is going to be? Rain? Who said rain? You think it's going to be rainy? All right, I'm going to put rain in there. I hope you're wrong. Snow, maybe. No, it's too warm for snow. I'm being silly. All right, are we ready to say the alphabet? Here we go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Excellent job. All right, let's count to 15 together. Are you ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. All right, now we're going to launch that rocket. Ready? Let's get those whisper voices on. Start really quiet. Here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off. Let's take a look at that rocket. Ready? Let's see it take off. There it goes.
Atlantis' computers has occurred. Solar rocket booster nozzle steering check at work. 20. Firing chain is armed. 15. Go for main engine start. T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. All is up and burning. 2, 1, 0, and lift off.
There it goes. Blast off.
Shoulders of the space shuttle. America will continue the dream. Roger, roll, planet.
All right, remember, to be able to launch a rocket or launch a space shuttle, you need to count backwards. Let's keep going on. and let's look at some shapes. Are you ready? All right. How about we find today the circle? Where's the circle? Do you see that circle? There it is. Wonderful. What color is our circle? I can't hear you. Can you say it a little louder? There we go. What shape is right next to the circle? What shape is right here next to the circle? Ooh, good job. It is a heart. Do you know what color that heart is? It is pink. Excellent job. All right, let's take a look at some other colors. How about if we find something that is orange? What's something orange? Do you see it? Here it is. It's our fish. Watch it swim around. All right. How about if we find something black? Can you find something black? Oh, yes. That yummy cookie. That Oreo cookie down there. Yum. All right, let's sing our nursery rhyme together. Are we ready? Here we go. A tisket, a tasket, a green and yellow basket. I wrote a letter to my love, and on the way I dropped it. I dropped it, I dropped it, and on the way I dropped it. A little boy, he picked it up and put it in his pocket. Let's watch that video.
A tisket, a tasket, a green and yellow basket. I wrote a letter to my love, and on the way I dropped it, dropped it, dropped it. Yes, on the way I dropped it. A little boy picked it up and put it in his pocket.
Tasket, green and yellow basket. I wrote a letter to my love, and on the way I dropped it. I dropped it, I dropped it, and on the way I dropped it. A little girl picked it up and put it in her pocket. A tasket, I lost my yellow basket. I dropped it, dropped it. Now won't you help me find it? My basket, my green and yellow basket, my green and yellow basket. Now won't you help me find it? Won't you help me find it? Won't you help me find it?
All right. Great job. I do love those little bunnies and their hearts. All right, we've done the letter L, the letter F, the letter E, the letter H, and the letter T. And this week we're working on the letter, what letter is this? I. That's right, the letter I. Who can remember what I says? What's the noise that makes the sound? I. Excellent. I says like iguisa. Here she is.
Dora, what happens if we meet?
It's Isa, the iguana.
Better be careful. Ah! Sorry, I didn't mean to scare you. Boots, it's not the bear. It's Isa the iguana. Hi, Dora. Hi, Boots.
All right. So Isa, the iguana, her name and the word iguana starts with the letter I. Who are these people over here? It's the Incredibles. Sorry, we live in the country and the internet isn't always the best. I guess it's not going to work today. All right. Well, we all know The Incredibles. How about if we sing about where we start our letters? Are you ready? At the top. Let's see if I can close out some of these things. Help us out. But it's not going to go. Technology. We know how it goes. You ready? Where do you start your letters? At the top. Where do you start your letters? At the top. If you want to start a letter, then you better remember to start it at the, where? The top. Letters, start your letters at the top. Letters, start your letters at the top. Letters, start your letters at the top. Start your letters at the top. Stand it up. Where do you start your letters? At the top. Lift those arms. Do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better remember to start it at the top. Here we go. Is this the top? No, it's the bottom. Shake it. Is it top? No, it's the middle. Is this the top? It's the top. Where do you start your letters? At the top. Now I want to hear ahs. Ah. Here we go. We're reaching up. Reach up. Way up. Is that the top? Yes, it's the top. Reach out and touch the top. Now we're going down. Reach down. Way down. Is that the bottom? Yes, it's the bottom. Reach out and touch the bottom. Now we're going to count. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Top, bottom. Shake it in the middle. Top, bottom. Shake it in the middle. Top, bottom. Shake it in the middle. Where do you start your letters? At the top. Now I want to hear ahs. Ah. Where do you start your letters? At the top. Where do you start your letters? At the top. If you want to start a letter, then you better remember to start it at the top. Here we go, going down. Is this the top? No, it's the, what is it? The bottom. Is this the top? No, it's the, what is it? The middle. Is this the top? Yes, it's the top. Where do you start your letters? At the top. Excellent. All right, we're going to make the letter I. So I'm going to grab a big line down and put it under the star because the letter I is a center starter. So it goes under the star because it is a center starter. We'll grab a little line and put it at the top. I heard you. Good job, friends. Good remembering. Is this the letter I? What letter is this? That's right. It's the letter T. And what does T say? That's right. Wag that finger while you're saying that. Excellent. But we're not doing the letter T this week. We're making the letter I. So grab another little line and put it at the bottom. Awesome. Okay, my turn. Hands in lap. Listening ears on. Inside voices off. My turn. Big line down. Frog jump up. Little line across the top. Little line across the bottom. One more time. My turn. Inside voices off. Listening ears on. Are you ready? Big line down. Frog jump up. Little line across the top. Little line across the bottom. Your turn. Ready? Fingers up. We say, big line down. Frog jump up. Little line across the top. Little line across the bottom. Excellent job. All right, today I'm going to read another St. Patrick's Day story, and we're going to do the banana dance and another Dr. Jean favorite. So I hope to see you back for both of the story time and music. Have a great day until then. Bye, friends.